What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our weekly product reviews. Today we're talking about something that's as cute as it is functional. The backpack flower for ladies. You don't want to miss this. Let's check it out. Meet the backpack that's changing the game. Let's be honest, most backpacks either look great or work great. The backpack flower is one of the rare ones that do both. It features a gorgeous floral design and vibrant colors like pink, blue, orange, and yellow. Basically, it's a walking bouquet on your back. But it's not all about looks. This backpack is designed with you in mind. It includes a spacious main compartment, front zip pocket for easy grab items, 2 side pockets for water bottles or umbrellas, and a special inner pocket to keep your valuables safe. You will find the link to the product in the description. And of course, please subscribe to the channel if you enjoy finding cool, useful products like this, built to handle your day. Whether you're a student, a traveler, or always on the move, this backpack flower is made to handle it all. It's crafted from durable 600D polyester that resists tearing and fading, so you can count on it every day. It's lightweight, soft to the touch, and ready to carry your essentials in style. You'll love the ergonomic adjustable shoulder straps for all-day comfort, breathable back fabric to reduce sweat and heat, large storage space to keep things neat and tidy, stylish design that turns heads everywhere you go. You will find the link to the product in the description. And hey, please subscribe to the channel to support more helpful reviews like this one. Why this one over the rest? There are tons of backpacks on Zasav, but most of them fall short. Either they're cheaply made, uncomfortable to wear, or just boring. The backpack flower stands out because it's beautifully designed, built to last, perfect for all occasions. School, travel, daily life, and way more affordable than overpriced designer bags. Don't waste your time with backpacks that can't keep up. This one gets it right. Ready to upgrade your carry? If you're ready to stop choosing between function and fashion, the backpack flower for ladies is calling your name. It's the kind of bag that you'll use daily and still get compliments on months later. Whether it's a gift or a treat for yourself, you can't go wrong with this one. Check the description for the product link. It's right there waiting for you. And one last time, please subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you the best reviews on the trendiest products out there. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay stylish, stay smart, and carry confidence every day.